Metasurfaces are two-dimensional materials that have attracted significant research interest in recent years owing to their unique ability to control electromagnetic waves. They consist of arrays of meta-atoms, or artificial structures smaller than the wavelength, arranged in a precise pattern on a flat surface to modulate the phase of electromagnetic waves. Conventional Pacharatnam-Berry methods often alter the spin of waves, a property linked to polarization or the orientation of electric and magnetic fields constituting a wave. Maintaining spin states is, however, crucial for their practical applications, such as those in satellite communications for transmitting and receiving data. In a new study, Associate Professor Yang's research team at University of Technology, Sydney, productively collaborated with the engineering team at Nano Dimension to develop three-dimensional or 3D polarization-maintaining metasurfaces using a novel multimaterial additive manufacturing method. The 3D metasurface consists of 64 different types of meta-atoms with fixed and rotating dual polarized antennas at the receiving and transmitting ends respectively, connected through phase delay lines. Varying the length of these lines introduces 2π phase shifts for both left-hand circular polarization, LHCP, and right-hand circular polarization, RHCP inputs. The two phase-shifting degrees of freedom can be combined to independently control the LHCP and RHCP wavefronts, while the output spin state remains the same as the input state. Furthermore, this novel design can be swiftly optimized using a pattern search-based algorithm. In the future, this multi-layer additive manufacturing approach can augment the development of polarization-maintaining metasurfaces with multi-layer configuration, which is impossible to achieve with traditional fabrication technologies. Ultimately, these 3D metasurfaces can revolutionize the development of next-generation high-speed microwave electronic devices.